Hi guys, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and this massive stack of embellishments is what I consider my general category, I guess, for the most part. Yeah, it's a little bit of everything, isn't it? And to be honest, I'm a little overwhelmed by it all. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is a preliminary sort, and I will come back and we'll tackle different sections of it, one section at a time. Okay, so I thought I would start with ephemera. So I have pulled out all the kind of general ephemera collections. I also pulled out all the Western stuff, because again, that's another category that I don't think I've started. Don't quote me on that. And I've also pulled out all the wedding ephemera, because I know I haven't started anything for that. I've got love themed, but not specifically wedding. And I think I'm going to start on these first. I've also pulled out all the ones that I know I have started, like travel and fall and spring. And I put those in a separate bin because I've already shown you those. It's just adding to it. I missed them in the first go round, if you want to think of it that way. And then of course I've got all the other chipboard, 6x12 sticker sheets, etc. I'm not going to deal with it. This is what I'm tackling today, or in this video. This stack of ephemera, wedding, and Western. So let me get going. Okay, so some of these I kept in their collection just because I think I'm more likely to use them. What will ultimately end up happening is, as I use this down and there's fewer and fewer pieces, eventually I will reposition these within the color binders, so to speak. Where they will live, I'll probably have an everyday collections binder. There you go. And what I did was, just to help me remember, is I put the name, or I cut out a piece of packaging and just made it as a tab. And so I've got the Cartavella line, then the Flower Market. I've got a few pages of that. And then I also have the wedding line. So I do have like a love theme, which is where this will probably go. And which is where this will probably go. So I got quite a few pages filled with that particular collection. And then I've got the Western theme. Again, I don't have enough to have a separate binder just for this. So I do have a binder with kind of odd themes, I guess. And that's where this will go. So I think that is it for this video. Obviously I still have quite a bit left to do. I need to do a little bit of thinking because I'm not sure where I'm going to put all of it. But hopefully by next time I will have that sorted out, or at least a plan to try, and we'll go from there. Thanks again for hanging out with me. I do appreciate you. Please leave a comment below how you're making out with your organization, and until next time, happy organizing.